Hello guys, my name is Mr. Roy. I have been using the Oraimo Watch 6 Lite for the past week, checking out the health monitoring tools, sports tracking features, and even using it underwater sometimes. Is it a big upgrade over last year's Oraimo Watch 5 Lite? If you remember my Watch 5 review last year, I had a lot of good things to say about the watch, but there were specific areas where it fell short. Well, Oraimo has definitely been paying attention, and there are some key improvements I noticed and some I don't really fancy. We are going to talk about all that today. But before we start, let's talk about the price first. This smartwatch is currently priced at 24,900 naira, but if you don't want to pay that full amount, or if you're picking this up from the official Oraimo website, you can use the 5% discount code displayed on this screen. I have also added it in this video description and the link too, so that it will be easier for you. So let's talk about my honest practical experience. I have already unboxed this. You can check this video description for the unboxing video. Starting with the design and build quality and how it actually feels to wear this every day. When you first take it out of the box, the very first thing you will notice is how incredibly lightweight it is. It weighs just over 42 grams. It comes with one silicone strap, though it uses the standard quick release pins. So if you ever want to change the look for something more formal, swapping out the bands just take a few seconds. But the biggest physical upgrade and the main reason why I said this is a massive upgrade over last year's Watch 5 Lite is the screen protection. If you remember, the Watch 5 Lite unfortunately dropped the scratch resistant glass to keep the cost very low, and that was my biggest complaint, and I am happy to report that Oraimo has brought the Anti-Scratch Panda Glass back here. Having this glass means you do not have to baby the watch. Over the past week, I have definitely knocked my wrist against a few walls and scrapped it against my desk, and the screen is still totally flawless. It comes with an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Like I mentioned earlier, I have had this smartwatch underwater a few times, washing my hands, getting caught up in rain, and it handles moisture as perfectly as you can imagine. Now, looking past the tough glass, let's talk about the display itself. The display is another area where things feel noticeably different. It features a large 2.01 inches HD touchscreen. On paper, it has the same 240 by 296 resolution as the 5 Lite. Oraimo has introduced their new interface called Cool UI, and I love it. Even on a budget smartwatches sometimes suffer from laggy menus or choppy animation, but navigating this feels remarkably smooth. A swipe to the right brings up smart shortcuts. Swiping down gives you your quick settings like flashlight. Believe me, it is usable in dark areas, more like an emergency light. You also get brightness control, DND to temporarily mute your notifications, battery saver, volume control, and settings. Swiping up shows your notification. When a message comes in, you get to read a solid paragraph of text before it cuts off. You still cannot reply directly from the watch, so you will have to use your smartphone to type back. Some emojis still do not display properly, showing up as a blank white squares. But for the convenience of glancing at your wrist to see who is messaging you while you are busy, it works perfectly fine. You can now allow all the apps on your phone to send notification to the watch. Swiping left brings up widgets like activity record, sleep tracker, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and weather. Let's talk about the features and customization. The options here are fantastic. Through the Oraimo Health app, you have access to over 120 different watch faces. It supports over 100 sports modes. I mostly tested it with outdoor running and light walks. The step counter is reliable and does not easily get tricked into counting random wrist movements while you are sitting down. You get real-time feedback on your workout duration, active heart rate, and calories burned right on the screen. Just remember, while these health metrics are great for keeping you motivated and aware of your habits, they do not replace, or they are not a replacement for professional medical equipment. It features 24/7 heart rate monitoring, a blood oxygen sensor, stress tracking, and sleep analysis. I actually wore it to bed several times these past few days, and it accurately logged when I fell asleep and at the same time when I woke up. In the morning, the app breaks your sleep pattern into deep sleep and light stages, which is really helpful for understanding your rest pattern. And if you are wondering whether the sleep tracking is accurate, the answer is yes, it is. But make sure you do not stay idle for a long period of time before going to bed, or the tracking might start as early as possible. Now, you also get features like voice assistant, music control, remote camera control, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, calculator, find phone, and even a single game. The wireless HD calling is definitely a standard feature. Taking calls directly from your wrist might sound a bit weird, but it comes in handy. When you accept calls, the built-in speaker is surprisingly loud and clear. The microphone picks up your voice very well and without too much background noise. I have had this full conversation with people where they don't even know that I was not even speaking directly on my smartphone. You can save frequent contacts to the watch and even use a small on-screen keypad to dial numbers manually. The only minor letdown is that, just like the previous models, it does not support USSD codes. So if you need to check your balance, your bank balance, and using short codes, you will still need your smartphone. It also comes with the new cool UI. You can change menu style by double pressing the crown button and customize the transition and browsing style in the settings. It actually looks really cool. With all these features running constantly, you might be worried about the battery life. Thankfully, this is an area where Oraimo usually performs well, and there is no exception in this one. It packs a 300 mAh battery and the company claims up to 7 days of usage. During my 1 week of testing, I had the brightness on medium, tracked steps and sleeps, checked dozens of notifications, and even took a few Bluetooth calls. Even with all that, I got about 5 days and a half of solid days before needing to recharge. If you use it only during the day, yes, you will easily hit the full 7-day mark. When it finally runs out, the magnetic charger snaps securely to the back and takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge. So bringing all this together, where does the Watch 6 Lite actually compare with the Watch 5 Lite? Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is a clear and noticeable improvement. The Watch 5 Lite is still a decent option if you're on a tight budget, but this fixes every compromises. The return of the Panda Glass is arguably the biggest reason to choose this over the 5 Lite, and it gives you that confidence that you can use it anywhere without worrying about scratches. Combine that with the smoother cool UI, font customization, clear Bluetooth calling, and you have a smartwatch that punches well above its price. Then for the price of 24,900 naira, it offers fantastic value. And don't forget, you can lower the price even further by using the coupon code displayed on the screen or in this video description, and that's when you are shopping on the official Oraimo website. Check this video description for the link and everything you need. I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the upgrade make it a better buy, or I don't know? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps this channel grow. Make sure to subscribe to All Round Review and turn on post notification so you don't miss out our upcoming videos. My name is Mr. Roy, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.